In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meetings using Goodday. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Goodday account so you can quickly set up meetings and keep your work organized in one place. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. First, start by opening Goodday and choosing the workspace or dashboard where you want to manage your meetings. Workspaces and dashboards act like different sections or projects in your account. So it's important to pick the one that matches the team, client, or initiative your meeting belongs to. This helps keep all related tasks, documents, and meetings grouped together and easy to find later. Once you're in the right workspace or dashboard, look for the highlighted area in the interface that indicates the main navigation or toolbar. This is usually where you'll find options for different modules, such as tasks, projects, and of course, meetings. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section to expand or reveal more options if needed. Taking a second to hover over icons can help you confirm you're in the right place before you click. Next, locate the option labeled Meetings and click on it. This will bring you into the dedicated Meetings area inside Goodday. Here, you'll typically see a list of existing meetings, past and upcoming, along with any relevant details. Spend a moment looking at this screen so you get familiar with how meetings are displayed and where new ones will appear once you create them. Now that you're in the Meetings section, look for the button or link that says New Meeting. This is usually positioned near the top of the page or in a prominent spot so you can access it quickly. Click on New Meeting to start the setup process. At this stage, you're essentially telling Goodday that you want to add a new meeting to this workspace or dashboard. After clicking New Meeting, you'll be given the option to proceed with creating it. Look for the Create Meeting button and click on it. This is the action that confirms you're ready to move forward and configure your meeting. From here, you can typically enter details like the meeting title, date and time, participants, and any relevant agenda or notes depending on how your organization uses Goodday. And that's it. You've now navigated to the right area, opened the meeting section, and started the process to create a new meeting in Goodday.